Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Education Times. Today I will show you how to create a Perfect Money account with ID verification. Now at first I am going to a browser and write down perfectmoney.com. Now I am create a Perfect Money account, that's why I am select sign up. Now enter your name, enter your city, enter your address. It's not a mandatory option. Now show which part is red star mark. It's very mandatory. It's not that, but I'm provide that. Select your country, select your zip code, enter your email address. Now show what is types of account types, personal or business. It's used for personal purpose, that's why I am select personal. Enter your password, retype password. It's a 6-digit or long more password. Use a strong password. Enter your tracking number, this number, capture number. If you don't understand, then click and then it sends and provide that and reads the terms and condition. Previously I read, that's why I am select, I am agree and select restart. When you click restart, after you select, your information is right or wrong. I am select restart. Now it's second step. It's right, welcome to community of Perfect Money. And you look at this, you said you need a member ID in your email. Now I am going to my email. Look at this, it's provide a two email. First email and click, it's said which country we use email cash deposit or which country you directly use bank transfer, e-transfer. It's provide, read them. And another email is provide my member ID. At first copy my member ID and write down inside. It's very important thing for using Perfect Money, because a lot of sites are need email address or user ID, but Perfect Money use every times our member ID. Now I'm going to log in. This account is almost completed. Look at this, the dashboard in your account. Three types of account number. It's a gold type of account number. You will need transfer or purchase gold, that's why you use this number. It's a dollar consumption number, or it's a euro consumption number. If you have used your this number, you need some dollar and another account, then you provide this number. If you have some need euro, then you provide this number. It's very important. If you need another or different types of accounts, then you connect here, such as BTC. It's this account details, which type of location, which types of IP use in this account creation, then it's provide. And it's a quick payment, my account, send money, transactions, deposit, withdraw, statement, analytics, internal mail, history, settings. Now I'm going to settings. Look at this, it's your account details in this area. If you need password sense, then you provide here and change your password, tracking number, apply change. Now I'm showing your verification process. Account verification. Click verification management. No verify, 0 out of 3. Look at this, it's your verification process. Your name verification, require 4 types of papers or what types of documents in this part. Scan copy of your identification documents, passports or driving license. And address verification. It's a need scan copy of your utility bill with your name and address printed on it. A utility bill is water, gas, electricity bill sent to your resident address by your local utility company. Enter your bill print copy, then you provide here and upload. Whenever upload these two types of document, then the PerfectMoney authority review your documents and your account is verified, then you use your phone verification. Otherwise you don't use phone verification. Now I am provide my documents. After completing my submitting papers, upload documents, then I show it's pending verification. On the PerfectMoney manager verify my account, then it's verified. Now it's my account tab. It is documentation and send money. If you have some dollar, then you send anywhere. When you select currency exchange, in this time this rate in here, easily you exchange in your dollar in lot of currencies. Deposit. You need anywhere, any location, you deposit easily. Bank transfer, cash deposit, e-voucher, PerfectMoney classified, Bitcoin, cash exchange, a lot of parts. And withdraw. Easily you withdraw different types of part. If you need a money exchanger, it's nobody in there. Easily you exchange your dollar in your any country's bank account. If you have any question, any query, then you comments please in my video comments box. And if you a new viewer, then you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video.